2012 Kenworth W800. Got a 455 horsepower PACCAR motor, 10-speed Eaton Fuller transmission. Truck has been fully deleted. Nice aluminum and chrome accents on this truck. 176-inch wheelbase. Headache rack. Eight bag Kenworth air ride suspension in the rear. Sliding fifth. You can come check this truck out here at Southern Equipment Sales here in Finger, Tennessee. You can also check it out on our website, southernequipmentllc.com. Nice red paint. Check this truck out here at Southern Equipment Sales here in Finger, Tennessee. And also check it out on our website, southernequipmentllc.com. Thank you for watching our video.